Welcome back to Taylor Cooks. We've got some pork, we've got some ginger, we've got some plums, we've got chili, onions, and also some of these. That, by the way, is hot. Oh, stick with me. What can go wrong? Cue the music. So the prep for this really couldn't be any more simple. We have the plums there. Hold on to your plums. That's your plum puree, which I've just popped in the microwave. Some of the plums, and then I put it through a strainer. So that's your plum puree. Garlic, ginger, Dijon, soy sauce, cider vinegar, salt and pepper. So I'll show you quickly how to do this, and then we'll move our pork out of the way just for a second. Plum puree, and all I've done, I've taken some of these, chopped them in half, stuck them in the microwave, and that's our puree. To that we're going to add some ingredients. So we're going to add some cider vinegar. Just a couple of cider vinegar there. Soy sauce, just one and a bit. Give it a stir. Dijon mustard. So we're going to have a spoon of Dijon mustard. Yeah. Going to grate some ginger. There we go. So we've got about an inch of ginger going in. And about the same of garlic. About the same of garlic, fresh garlic. This is just frozen, so no issues with that. Bit of pepper, a little bit of salt, and a little bit of 5 spice. Just the tip. That's all we need. In. Let's give it a stir. Okay, pop that just to one side for a second. So to this, I'm going to add a red onion. Okay, so here's our pork. So there's our pork. I'm not going to take the fat off, going to leave it on, because when it goes into the oven it's going to crisp up. But what I'm looking for are really big, thick slices. Now this is leg. So I want some really big slices. So that's the size that I'm looking for. Okay, I'll just pop that there. Should be able to get 4 out of this. So this is our marinade, which I showed you earlier. I'm going to put these into the marinade. Make sure they're all coated. Like so. So 24 hours later, we put these in yesterday, so we're 24 hours later, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to stick them into the oven and show you how to prepare the rest that goes with it. And it is really nice, I'll be very honest with you. So 2 of the 4 steaks from yesterday are here. They've been marinating overnight, which is excellent. Wow, the smell is absolutely fantastic. So these are going to go into the oven at 180, and then what we'll do about halfway through, I'm going to take them out and I'm going to put the plums on the top and put the rest of the veg in, which goes along with it. So I'll stick these in the oven, I'll show you how to prep the rest. So we're at the halfway stage. There's all our marinade there. And what I want to do now is to get all of these a little bit of oil, not too much. Pop it back in.